Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Frames, new Instagram update 2024. So all you have to do right now is update your Instagram first, and after that you can open and create your own story by tap this plus button or tap on your profile picture. So after that you can tap on the sticker at the top of your screen and use this feature Frames. You can tap it and choose the photo that you want to add. So after that you can add caption. So for example, and you can adjust the positions. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.